Hello, Tudor. My name is Kevin Alberto Gausil Agresor. I am 29 years old and I am from Barranquilla, Atlántico. I live Soledad. I am current and commercial advisor to the Drones company. My hobby is cooking. I live with my wife and two daughters. I am second semester of industrial engineering at the UNID. My favorite series is Criminal Minds, and the sport I like the most is soccer. There, there are four people and my family. My wife is Girlesa Delgado. She is 29 years old. She is a social worker. My wife is very attentive. She is short. Her eyes are honey colored and she has dark brown hair. My eldest daughter name is Jiret Causil Delgado. Is 9 years old. She is the fourth grade of primary school. My daughter is very cute. She has brown eyes and black hair. The name, the name of my other daughter, the youngest, is Genesis Causil Delgado. Is 2 years old. She is kindergarten. My little daughter is very loving. She has brown eyes and brown hair.